colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle fresh cut grass.
I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your week. Currently Monday, and I thought that I would just kick you guys on more of a day in the life. The past couple weeks I've been really trying to challenge myself to open my Bible before I open my phone and like doing it first thing in the morning. And let me just tell you, it's really hard because our minds are programmed to not want to sit still. Like I have a really hard time just sitting still, but I know that I need to. And so right now I'm going to take some time to read my Bible, journal, reflect, get some gratitude going. And then after I do that, I'll take you guys along with me, kind of finishing out my ideal productive day. I'm also going to switch some things around in the house and kind of like play around with decorating a spot that I think would look good because we have some friends coming over this week for dinner. And so last night I was trying to go to sleep and I just kept thinking about these things that I were gonna do. And so do some Bible time, we're gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna decorate this little space that I've been thinking about the past couple weeks. And yeah, but let's go do that. And if you're looking for a sign or any type of encouragement, like this would be that. Take some time to really just turn the phone off, turn social media off, even if you have to turn this video off and open your Bible and read a book, or just take some time away from social media. I highly recommend it. I've been trying to open the thing in the first morning, but as you can tell, I'm doing it now and it's really hard. But it's been like a challenge that we've challenged ourselves the past couple weeks, and I'm always wanting to look for something that's gonna grow me. And so if you're looking for that challenge, there's your challenge for today. But I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off and start doing my Jesus time. I am going to make tacos tonight for dinner, and I thought I would show you guys what I got. Usually I don't go to Target to get food. I usually go to Aldi or Kroger, but it was just a little quick run, and they carry Poppy and no other place carries Poppy, and so that's why I went there. First thing that I got, now this was on clearance for $15, and I wouldn't have bought it otherwise, just because, you know, I am not cheapskate, but I like good deals. And so I got this really pretty, like, bright pink striped dress with like the strings for 15 bucks. I don't have a dress like this. This is what it looks like close up. It's got like the stripes. I don't have a dress like this, and I'm needing more like lightweight summer dresses, and so I got this one. I can wear it to the beach and for church, but anyways, got that cutie dress for 15 bucks, which is really a steal for Target quality dresses. And then I like to eat these Chomps beef sticks, so I got 2 of those. They're a great way to get protein in, and they're grass fed, so that's always better. The real reason I went to Target was to get these poppies. They carry like all the flavors that we like, and so I got watermelon for me and raspberry rose for Kyle. And then for tacos, some chips, queso, and then sour cream for the tacos. But yeah, that's my small Target haul. Next up, I'm going to start cooking dinner because Kyle will be home. Kyle will be home in about an hour, and so I'm going to go ahead and make dinner so that he can eat when he gets here. It's currently like 92 degrees outside, so he's gonna be waiting until after dinner to do his workout. I'm so glad that I did my workout this morning because as the day has gone on, it's just gotten so hot. And so this Midwest heat, it's not just the heat, but it's so humid outside. And so yeah, but we're gonna make dinner, clean up a little bit, and that's about it. Just have a chill evening at home. I wanted to show you guys how the garden is looking. We've got some growth going on. My cosmos are doing super great. These are the cosmos right now, and then the other green ones are zinnias. I think I might plant some more in the spaces where they didn't do as good. For a while they weren't doing good with growth because we were getting so much rain, and then this bed is doing really good, and you can kind of see where one is starting to sprout right there. So it's crazy. But anyways, that's what that's looking like. But I got a little surprise because one finally bloomed today. So pretty. I walked outside to water my ducks and I found it. I've been watching it the past couple days because it's, you know, it was to the point where it was almost blooming, and so this is what she's looking like. These beds are surprisingly doing way better than those two, but I planted these like 2 weeks before I planted those, and so, you know, that has a factor in it. But yeah, this is what the bed's looking like. We've got a couple that will be blooming soon too. You can see like the buds at the top, and so soon this will all be flowers, and so I'm very excited. But I was losing hope for a little bit just because it was raining so much and there wasn't a lot of sun, but this bloom right here gives me so much hope. So very pretty, very excited. My camera died literally as I was making dinner, and so it's been a couple hours later, but I thought I would show you the project that I'm working on right now. Just finished it. I've been needing a shelf, which we've always had this shelf, but I was scrolling on Pinterest and it just dawned on me like, oh, I can use this shelf for this project. And so just like a laundry aesthetically pleasing storage shelf. And so this was out in the gym, but since we're like getting more stuff in the gym. We just got turf laid down. I was like, okay, it's time to bring this in. And so I have my laundry detergent in here in this cute little basket to kind of like hide it a little bit and just bring it all together with like the brown rattan. And then I have all of our towels, which I'm needing to get more because we've literally had these like ever since we've gotten married. So it is more like I'm gonna get new ones, and I'll probably get some like fun ones just because I know TJ Maxx has and Home Goods has some really cute options. And then I wanted to add some pop with bringing this plant. And I just have it sitting in this gold wire basket that I got. I honestly don't even remember where I got this from, but wasn't using it, and so I put that in there just for like a pop of color. And then I have this fragrant linen spray, just for like things that, you know, for linens and towels and everything. And then toilet paper, which, you know, it's just practical. Like, a lot of people don't want this stuff to show, and I necessarily don't either, but I think it looks good and it's aesthetic, but it's practical. So I have the toilet paper and then the paper towels, and then this is medicine. We have that stuff, and so that's what it looks like so far. I'm really proud of it. I think it looks well put together, especially with my laundry basket next to it. The vision has been satisfied. I've literally been up at night thinking about this, so I think it looks good. The only thing that I really want to get is a rug. We had a rug in here, but Remy, when she was a puppy, she pooped all over it, so we had to get rid of it. So I think that's the only other thing that I want in here is a rug. And it'll be pretty much all put together. I mean, I got those frames a couple months ago, and then I have got that plant right there. So everything just looks put together, and this is the room that I've never really been able to find, like, be happy with, just because it's just never been put together. And now I think that it is, because you walk in and everything just flows, and that's what I was really wanting. And so yeah, there's my project for this Monday. I think it looks great. Let me know if you guys have something like this in your laundry room and what you guys do.